What is hopping, my Easter bunnies? Madam Glam surprised us with this darling Easter egg. So not only am I going to make the most delicious Easter mani, but I am going to show you all the goodies in this box. And if you're inspired and you'd love to try these goodies, run on over to Madam Glam before this amazing Easter egg sells out. Now, if these darling creams were not enough, the pastel realness, check out this no wipe top coat. It has the most darling assortment of bunnies freckles. Stop this. It is so stinking cute. So grab yours today before it sells out. In today's Glam Manicure, I'm going to be featuring colors that are only found in this limited edition box. So let's get right into all of the magic. Thank you so very much for watching this darling Easter mani. And make sure you have your notification bells on because there is so much more glam on the way. Sending so much love and light. Mwah.